OneDrive, always keep on this device missing? Restore offline file options. Have you opened File Explorer, right-clicked a OneDrive file, and realized that always keep on this device has completely disappeared? If you're trying to make files available offline but can't find the option, don't worry. In most cases, the problem is caused by the file location, OneDrive not running, or the file's on-demand feature not being available at that moment. In this video from TechFix Guides, I'll show you several safe troubleshooting steps that can restore the missing offline file options without using registry edits, third-party repair tools, or risky fixes. Let's get started. Confirm the file is actually inside OneDrive. The first thing to check is the file's location. Open File Explorer and look at the left navigation pane. Your file should be stored inside one of these synchronized locations. OneDrive Personal, OneDrive Company Name, a synchronized SharePoint or Microsoft Teams library. If the file is stored in Downloads, a regular desktop folder, another cloud service, or any unrelated local folder, Windows will not display Always Keep on this device because the file isn't managed by OneDrive. Open the complete Windows 11 context menu. Windows 11 uses a simplified right-click menu. Right-click the OneDrive file or folder first. If you don't immediately see Always Keep on this device or free up space, click Show More Options. You can also press Shift plus F10 to open the classic context menu directly. Look carefully for OneDrive commands including Always Keep on this device, Free up space, Share, View online. Depending on your OneDrive version and whether the file is already downloaded, the available options may vary. Make sure OneDrive is running. Next, check whether the OneDrive desktop application is actually running. Look at the notification area near the clock. You should see either a white or blue OneDrive cloud icon. If the icon is missing, open the Start menu. Search for OneDrive. Launch the application. If prompted, sign in with your Microsoft account or work account and allow OneDrive to finish setting up. Check sync status. Now click the OneDrive cloud icon. Confirm that synchronization is working normally. Look for messages indicating that sync is paused, signed out, waiting for setup, showing an account error, blocked because storage is full. If synchronization is paused, choose Resume Syncing. If setup hasn't finished yet, allow OneDrive to complete the initial synchronization before checking File Explorer again. Restart OneDrive. Safely, if everything appears normal but the commands are still missing, restart OneDrive. Click the cloud icon. Open Help and Settings. Choose Quit OneDrive. Wait a few seconds, then open the Start menu and launch OneDrive again. Allow it to sign in and reload completely. Wait until the synchronization icons appear beside your files before testing the right-click menu again. Sometimes the issue is caused by File Explorer rather than OneDrive itself. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Locate Windows Explorer in the Processes list. Select it. Click Restart Task. Your desktop and taskbar may briefly refresh. After Explorer reloads, return to your OneDrive folder and right-click the file again. If you've completed every previous step and the OneDrive commands are still missing, reconnecting your account may help. Before doing that, first verify that all of your important files are safely available on OneDrive.com. Also make sure you've backed up any local files that haven't finished syncing. Next, open OneDrive settings. Choose Unlink this PC. Sign in again. Allow OneDrive to rebuild the synchronization database. Most importantly, do not delete your local OneDrive folder during this process. If this guide helped you restore the missing, always keep on this device option. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to TechFix Guides, and check out our other Windows 11 and OneDrive troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.